This is Bernard. He's an otter, and we're going to read about him. Okay, the story, it says, "Stop snoring, Bernard." Okay, and it's by Zachariah Bahora. It says, Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. We all like nap time, right?
No. I sleep in class. Yeah, I like nap time.
But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Snore. "Stop snoring, Bernard." They don't like his snoring, do they?
Oh,
He's
the
an alligator.
Oh, yeah, you go eat him.
Oh, I don't think he's going to eat him. Stop snoring. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. Are the giraffes telling him stop snoring?
Just like the first part.
Yeah. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work either. Snore.
Yeah, he needs to snore somewhere.
Yeah. Stop snoring, Bernard. Who said that? The elephant.
There's a little tiny
There's a baby one too.
I like baby.
Bernard was sad and lonely. He found tucked away place. He curled up by himself and drifted off to sleep. Snore, snore, snore.
No. He's snoring quiet.
The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard, Bernard, Bernard. The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night, and now we are trying to sleep. So please don't snore here."
It still didn't work.
It still didn't work. Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. He's sad, he's crying. He didn't have anywhere to go.
What about to the park?
It was the other otters he heard. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "And I'm sorry," I yelled. "Please come back." They want him back. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Grumpy Giles has his ears covered because he doesn't like his snoring. But they wanted him to come back because they love him and they missed him, right? Yeah, that's the end.
What do we tell Miss Lisa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Can everybody clap for Miss Lisa?
No. Good story. That's a good story.
Did you like that story? Yeah, that was nice that his friends
Yeah,
missed him,
I like it too.
Yeah? Yeah. So Bernard had friends, and after they realized they were going to miss him, they didn't mind that he snored, huh? Yeah, we have to do that with all our friends. Sometimes they do stuff we don't like, but we still love them and want to be with them, right? Yeah.
Mine don't snore. My mommy don't snore.
Your mommy don't snore? That's a good...
My daddy don't snore.
No.
Ah!